Yo. What up? What up? Man, this is going to be interesting. Yo, Apex website finally up, by the way. I was able to finally get the fuck in. Um, what up, Joyce? Hey, Paul. Double O. Yo, yeah, Austin. I was able to get in Apex, and I was able to get some accounts for Nvidia earnings. By the way, banger trade on the Discord during lunch. We caught this. It was a really good trade. I should have just got off. After that, I should have been like, all right, I'm done. The rest of this has just been chop. Earnings are after, it's going to be, I think, 4:20. It's after the close. Dude, that's crazy. You couldn't join it. Dude, we caught this freaking ripper. I'm doing good. I'm not all green. I'm definitely not all green, but there's one funded account. This account I'm going to have to pick back up. That's so weird. So weird. I don't know why, because everyone else. Everyone else sees it. Oh. Yeah, that's so weird. Did you get the Black Friday email from TradingView? 80% off plus 1 month free. I'll look into it. I usually buy the yearly package, Knob. I usually wait till Black Friday, the day of, and buy it. I go through all my shit and buy. I'm like, buy. Oh, it didn't start yet. Yeah. I always tell people, man, if you want to buy any of this trading software, always wait. Always wait. Smash the freaking like button. Yo, we got NVIDIA earnings. Zoom here. Yeah, it just make all those software, they run those deals. I'll do that one. I do Trend Spider. What do I think of the market today? I think overall it's moving around. I don't know, pretty good. I would take a day like this every day. I locked in another payout today. 15th prop firm payout this month. Can't complain. I am definitely going to risk some accounts on NVIDIA earnings today. I got to set up my copy trader. Oh my God. Coffee just hitting down the wrong pipe. Wrong hole, Flip. That's what Diddy said. Is it better to play NVIDIA or non-farm payroll? I don't know. Will I stream at 6 p.m. tonight? No, because honestly, between 6 o'clock and 11:30, there's really only like one trade to take. Like if you're trading back and forth at 6:30, like you shouldn't be doing that. That's the time that you enter for like a long swing, not to be scalping. How many trades are marked on that chart, Jaden? Bro, if your chart doesn't look like that, are you really a full degenerate? That's what you need to ask yourself. How many? I don't know, man. A lot. I went to like break even and then I got back in. Well, not that one. You know, I was playing it short and got stopped out. Look, I got stopped out and it went. Got stopped out short again and it fucking ended up going. I was targeting this blue line and I got stopped out twice and it ended up going down to it. I should have just said, I'm leaving it alone. Yeah, sometimes I do one trade in an account. Sometimes I do one trade. Sometimes I do 3,297 trades. And I got to ice my finger after the stream is done. But you know what? I'm building strength in my fingers. You know who appreciates that? My wife says she does. So that's all that matters. Market looks like dog shit. Yeah, it's not great. Not gonna lie to you. It doesn't look great. What up, Ray? There's a couple people trading London and Asia last night, Steven, in the Discord. La Rosa was in there, 420 was in there. There was a good amount of people in there. There was definitely a good amount of people. There's probably like 5 or 6 people in the Discord that were trading. Crushed it last night. Yeah, last night moved around. What up, Captain? Bro, we have Captain Crunch and Captain Price. Every day, night, and morning. Yeah, Traders 420. He was in the Discord last night. Oh, Tick is in there also last night. Yeah, there was quite a few people that were trading last night. Feel the coolest? Get to the chopper. What up, Andrew? What? Is this not working? Hello. So technically, you can get paid faster by going. Are you saying technically you get paid faster by Lucid by just going the eval route? plus 900K. How are you up $900,000, Captain Price? Are you on a special eval? Yeah, so you get paid faster by going that route. Yeah, Austin, the big discount isn't really that. The big discount is after you pass, it's only $40 for activation fee. That's the big discount. I want to see if it holds here. If it doesn't hold here, I'm probably going to take a little short ski. So just remember, they're giving you $40 $40 activation fee, but if you pass 1 in 3 accounts, it's literally the same amount of money as if you passed 1 in 3 accounts and they gave you 90% off with $85 activation fee. This is make or break it right here. I think if we get over the 9, I'm going to take a 5 micro. I think they're going to algo it down where it's going to break and it's just going to algo. Let's see. If I'm wrong, I'm keeping my stop super fucking tight. Watch it just flash and come right back up. Let's go. Bust it. Are you fucking kidding? I flip long if they take me out and go back over 600. I'll grab 5 micros long, and my stop will be 70. You got out, knob? Oh, why didn't you tell me? I'm about to get out. I'm about to get forced out. Dump it. Dump it! Bro, this isn't going to happen. I just got fucked. Nah. I'm just putting some fucking buys up higher. I want to see us close up here. I'm just watching. I'm curious if they run it into close with NVIDIA earnings. Is honestly what I'm looking for. Is if they're going to run it or they're going to dump it. This would be like a good place to. Man, they just didn't let it go. I'm going to add 5 more if it goes. See if they run it into NVIDIA earnings. If they do, this would be the bottom. That's kind of what I'm shooting for. That's the problem with trading when you have a one-off event coming up. You know, a normal trade, you would trade differently. But because NVIDIA earnings is here, it skews my bias that they're going to push it into the earnings. Today was definitely good. It moved around. Locked in a payout. I just have this one account and I'm just kind of dicking around with it. There's no like massive trade setup. I'm just taking small shots. Normally I trade 2 minis in this account. I'm trading micros. And I think if you can get back over 610-ish, they might be able to push this into close. Oh, sorry to hear that, man. That sucks. That sucks, Ali. That's a good amount, Mike. By the way, I got something special to play on the stream later on for everybody, courtesy of 420. Yo, if they're able to get this. I want to add, but I need them to push it up for me to add. Otherwise, push it. Push it. Yeah, I'm going to have my orders in before that, Mick. That I can tell you. My orders are going to be in at the close. Dude, the Apex system is fucking whack right now. It's so slow, but I was able to get accounts, which is all I care about. I was able to get like 5 accounts, and one account I passed yesterday. I was able to get it to funded. Yo, I need Trump to tweet NVIDIA earnings are going to be great. Buy stocks. Tell everybody to buy stocks right now, Trump. Yo, as long as it goes one way, are you trading those? I'll probably trade other ones. I got to trade my wealth. I got to trade my wealth charts. I'm over for a payout on wealth charts, but I need $50 a day. $50 make me holla. Come on, push this shit. Push it. Holy shit. Yo, keep it going, full steam. Dude, just blow it up. Just go. Go for it. Go! Get over the 50. Yo, it gets over this blue line. Yo, I think we're going to see 47. Yo, if we get over 615, I think we see 616. I think I just did it. Let me just fucking see. Recently used broker portfolio. Let's see. Did I do it? Account. Oh, yeah, I did. $91. Boing. Okay, cool. Let me get the fuck out of this. Oh, yo, what you know about that? What you know about that? Yo, I just copy traded that in freaking 5 Apex accounts also. Cove, can I just flip a micro on trade day for the last day of the eval? Yeah, you should be able to. Ray says he's in heavy. Ray is in heavy. Your money management? Yeah, I mean that's a big part of it. All right, wealth charts is done. I wonder if I could take a payout in wealth charts tonight. I'm going to flip for the next 3 days on wealth charts and see if they'll give me a payout. What's the blue line? Dude, if you don't have this blue line, this is the bottom orb, which is also the first 60-minute orb also. I mean, they're going to pay me. Helpful. I mean, they denied me and I'm doing the things that you need to do. So I think I just did. I think I just did it, actually. I'm going to look right now. I'm pretty sure I did 5 days of $50, and now I flipped 3 days, and I can take $1,000 out. $1,000 make me hello. Another payout. Holy shit balls! This is just going. Let me look at this fucking wealth charts. When did I fucking request money, though? Oh, baby. So I requested money on November 10th. And then I did 1, 2, 3, 4. Today was the 5th day. Actually, yeah. Now I just flipped for 3 days and I got that another $1,000 payout. Boing. Bro, that thing just ripped. That was a fucking rip. Watch us see 750. Free shorts. You never won a race? Yeah, I mean, I bet you there's a lot of people who haven't won a race. If you think about it, there's one race a day, right? So there's one race a day. If you're not on the stream all day, you get less entries. So if you only get like one entry and net, there's 200 people, like 200 entries, you're going to win one out of 200 times, which is 200 trading days, which is almost about once a year. Think about that. If you're on here for like 30 days, only 30 people are going to win. Same person can win twice. Pump those like numbers up. Those are rookie numbers. Yeah, I mean, you get winning trades all the time. I mean, stream started right here. I took a $165 loss and then 432 winner, 184. You know, the knowledge is where it's at. Because if you can't trade the account, 88. So is that 260? It's like $700 minus, call it like 550 net. The house account is up. This isn't Topstep. The house account is up. At least on this stream. I got fucked earlier. I'll try to make it back though. Also, it costs nothing to ask questions. I find the people that ask the most questions tend to do better faster. Smashed this one earlier. Man, I still think that they run this shit up. Like, it could be the last, dude, it could be the last 10 minutes of the market. Right? It could be I think at some point we're going to run like 100, 150 points up. We're still in this range. Like, we've traded back and forth in this range a lot. It feels like once they let it go. Yo, quick question. Anybody in here use this weird company Hypertix by any chance or no? Somebody mentioned them the other day. Yo, Ange, if you're in here, that meme is pretty much what it is. NVIDIA is propping up the entire global economy right now. Yo, NVIDIA is propping it all up. NVIDIA is investing in companies that are buying chips from NVIDIA. How crazy is that shit? They're basically investing in themselves. So Lucid, you have to get to $2,600 and you can withdraw $500. Man, I'm thinking what I want to make for dinner tonight. Either chicken with steak, probably chicken and steak. Dude, little flag action. We're going to pump. To Wagyu. Yo, you know what's crazy is I bought these Wagyu steaks from Holy Grail Steaks. I think that's what it is, holygrailsteaks.com. I'll show you the site. Bro, the images that they have of these steaks are fucking amazing. Whoever did their site took really good pictures. I'll show you for 2 seconds. Like, their fucking pictures are just awesome. Like, you shop freaking like ribeyes or whatever. Whoever took pictures, like, look at the pictures that they take. Like, it freaking, it's just really juicy looking shit. Snake River Farms? No. So me and my son are going on a little, we're going down the meat rabbit hole, and we're starting to try other types of stuff. My son wants to eat kangaroo. They have it at the place by us. Kangaroo's not meat? What is it then? Oh, like Taco Bell? No, he doesn't even like Taco Bell. Steven, honestly, I would keep working, save money, and then I would trade sim until you found the strategy that works for you. And that's when I would get that's when I would get back into trading, to be honest. There's software that will replay the market today, and you could trade the replay to see how you would have done. Yo, have you tried So you know how they have rack of lamb? Have you tried a rack of venison? Anybody? I was gonna get one last night because I can't find rack of lamb, and my kid loves that, so he was gonna do rack of venison. What software does that? I mean, you could replay on freaking Trading View. You can do it on FX Replay. Yeah, but have you ever done the rack of venison? Not like they're like lamb lollipops. Bro, I had a deer. Yo, I shit you not. I was driving on my road, and I stopped for 2 seconds, and this deer was 5 feet from my window in my Jeep, and I rolled down my window, and I'm on the phone with somebody. I rolled down my window, and like he was just looking at me, like waiting for me to feed him, I think. And then I didn't feed him, and then he just literally walked 3 feet from the back of my Jeep around the back of it, like not a care in the world. Code. Oh, so you cook them like lamb lollipops? They're just venison. I'm gonna go get some. Dude, my son loves fucking meat, man. We freaking steaks, ribeyes. He's only 7, so he's just crushing it. Bro, I could have dropped him so Sean, I could have almost reached out and grabbed him, but he had it was a buck, man. He had big ass antlers on. I'm on the phone with someone like, bro, this thing's 5 feet from me. He's like, all of a sudden he's like, what if he jumps in your Jeep? And I was like, I don't know. I hit the fucking gas and I drag him. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but yeah, it was a huge buck, man. Crazy. Yo, just so you know, Snake River Farms is running a Black Friday sale. Yo, I swear I would have held his fucking antlers and hit the gas, and we would have been riding down the fucking street. Bro, that would have been wild. I don't even know if his antlers would have fit in my window. He was massive. Buck race? I'm not. No buck race. I lived in Thailand and Tobago. Bake and shark. It was I don't know what that is. Sounds like some wild shit. Yo, you're gonna get me to order this Steak River Wagyu hamburger patties. See, they don't take that good pictures though. Like Snake River Farms, their pictures don't look as good as the other one. Bro, is this thing about to rocket? Yo, is this thing about to be Rocket Man? So I am worried. Look, see, we pop, right? I'm at break even because I am worried that this just drops. You like Elton John? No. When Donald Trump was calling fucking the North Korea guy Rocket Man fucking in his first election. That shit was hysterical. Every day he was calling him Rocket Man. 35%. I'm gonna look for it. Yo, Black Friday. The Rock. Dude, I haven't seen that movie in ages. Dude, I'm gonna yo, I'll put in all the fucking discounts that I see online in the Discord. Let everybody know if I see anything really good. I'm looking to fill my freezer downstairs. I'm looking to buy fucking propfirm discount deals all over. I got a couple of things on the old wish list. Let's see. I want to see if they go. NVIDIA earnings is in 45 minutes. If they can get over this level, look, tops. If they can get over this, like 720, you're probably going to get to the top. Told you. Boom. I need a cheap account for NVIDIA earnings. The cheapest account out there. If Topstep does no activation, are you going to use them? I don't think what you guys don't understand is, do you think they're going to leave their pricing where it is and just take activation out? No. They're going to raise their prices. So probably not. Do not blow your funded account, Maria. I would not trade anything that's good. all seriousness, like APAC, yeah, do not use a funded account. Anybody that's on here, do not use a funded account. Yo, this fucking straight bangers on this stream. Straight bangers. I don't know. What's Bullnuts? Bullnuts has high activation fee, but it is cheaper. Bullnuts is definitely cheaper, but the activation fee is like $110 more if you pass. It's almost like you don't want to pass. Nah, I don't hedge Austin like that. Bro, what a fucking move. Aquaman futures? Yeah, Simone, that's kind of the thing that you should be doing. Oh, this account has $54 of drawdown. I'm going to use that. I'm going to use a bunch of shit accounts that are smoked for the most part. I got a bunch of accounts. Oh, there it is. There it is. Joom here. Dude, I had this at the fucking bottom, bro. Should have held on to that. Dude, we just went up 200 fucking points. That's wild. Yeah, I mean that's kind of what you use, you know. I mean that's what it's used for, right? Yo, helpful. That would be the most degenerate shit I've seen. And I kind of want to do it. I'm not going to, but I kind of, dude. I have a 150 I'm going to play. That was a great move. I don't think it's done. I think it's going to come back here and we're just going to relax, smoke a cig, relax. We're going to come and then we're going to go up again. I most definitely do not want to short it. That I could tell you. I'm just going to. What up, Crazy Chris? long or shorting, dude, we just smashed to the upside. Smashed. I actually smashed in my Apex accounts. For earnings, whatever way it takes me, man. You're gonna see what I do. I'm gonna do it live on here. You will see it. All will be revealed. All of it. Every last inch of it will be revealed. I meant every trade will be shown. Your girl just asked if you were crazy, Chris. That's not a bad time to stop. Yo, when you stop at minus 120 for the day, does the account match the color of your fanny pack? No, seriously, you should probably stop for the day. I wouldn't, but you definitely should. I am definitely not stopping. It's not for earnings anymore. Now the account is good. The carpet matches the drapes. Yo, not financial advice, long or short. Dude, I think this is going up until earnings. See, like if I'm halfway to passing, I'm probably not risking that now on NVIDIA earnings. Now I'm like, all right, I'll get something else for NVIDIA earnings at that point. How do you check? You probably just go on Twitter. I don't think they're out early. Bro, you're crazy helpful. I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. I'm mostly green today, Zaybak. This is my one account that's not. That I got a my funded futures that's not down $100 in one funded my funded futures account. The other three are up. I locked in a my funded futures payout. I locked in my 15th prop firm payout this month. 15. That sounds crazy to even say. 15 payouts. Five were my funded futures. 2 were elite. 3 or 4 were Apex, and then some TPTs. Sprinkled in some TPTs. Crazy. Yo, I mean, Nvidia is gonna just put up some stupid earnings and then say we're gonna be supplying the world and space, all of the universe with chips. The TPT payouts, yeah, some of them were $400, some of them were $150. I think there's only 3 of them. I'd have to go back and look. I've gotten $5,000 payouts with my funded futures, right? Yeah, that's all I can request. So it's 3 last week, 1 yesterday, and 1 today is 5. Yeah. Elite was 2. Apex was 3 or 4. And then the rest were, so what is that? 3, 4, 7. Yeah, so maybe like 3 TPT accounts. Do you think over 100? What do you mean? Do I think over 100? How many points would go up or down on the NQ during Nvidia earnings? I'd probably say 50 to 100 points. TPT has gotten faster. So I think up on earnings, I think we're going to initially go up and then we're going to sell completely off, Tommy. I think we're going to go up and then down. And then we're going to open up somewhere around even. Yo, what up, Corey? I got a bunch of accounts, though. I'm definitely going to rip on this fucking earnings shit. I'm going to have to start setting it up in about 20 minutes. 20 minutes, and I'm going to start setting it up. I'm going to use my copy trader Replicanto. Man, it just looks like they're going to fire this thing into the freaking... I'm looking for the next run up. Wait, what? Smokey Robinson is accused of sexually assaulting a man? In what year? Bro. Bro, how do you even do that? How does one do that? Yo, did you see that shit from Funded Next? They're changing all their rules retroactively. Did you guys see that shit or no? Funded Next is changing all their rules. Oh, you posted in my chat? Dude, it's crazy. You know, they sold everybody on this dream, and now all these people that are close to like uncapped payouts aren't even getting them because they fucking rug pulled everybody. They gave you the old rug pull. It was unsustainable. People, I don't know the exact rules, but the rules were basically like uncapped payouts and all this other shit. And now all these people that thought they were going to get like all this money. One guy had like 50 something $1,000 that he was up, and they transferred him to a live account with $7,500. It was like, well, where did the other 50,200 go? So basically, that guy made 50 something $1,000 and didn't get paid any of it. Fucking wild. Yeah, but my funded futures is from Forex. They can do whatever they want. I will never rug pull your money again. Yeah. It's crazy though. But yeah. I'm just gonna put an order right here. Just feels like we're gonna get some fucking ramp. Yo, rug pull 65. Well, ain't gonna get that. Rug pull time. Yeah, straight rug pull. Where do you want to short it if it pumps? I don't want to short this at all, Kevin. No, it was funded next. Funded next. Just fucking straight rug pulled everybody. Straight up rug pulled. Raw dogged everybody. Is this thing gonna go? Yo, it's crazy that they do that. Like, it's whatever. And people still trade with them. You know who was slobbing on their knob for ages? Fucking Brian. Brian never came up for fucking air once. I think MOC pushes this. Yeah, the biggest pumper ever. Bro, he should fucking pay his members. CFD for. Yeah. There's a bunch of shit rolling out about him now. I guess people are doing deep dives. Bro, you're an idiot if you got that much money just sitting there. Like, how do you not take your fucking profits? just in case it pulls back. Hold on. I'm not fucking. I'm watching. Fuck it. I'm only grabbing 5 micros. I don't want to get burned. I don't want it to burn when I pee. I'm going to break even because if it doesn't break 800 and we reject, I don't want to wake up tomorrow itchy as fuck. There we go. Now my costs are covered. Smash the motherfucking confetti! Remember, you keep your losses tight. Keep the losses tight and let the winners run. Push it. Dude, if they didn't fucking wick me out right here. So I just did that in 5 Apex accounts also. It's getting iffy though. Not gonna lie, it's getting iffy. Oh, you know what else followed that? Also, my 2 take profit trader accounts. I'm not going to trade these in I'm not going to take my take profit trader accounts for the, what do you call it? Only cuz I'm building them up. I'll show you obviously soon, you know. I'm being transparent about it, not just telling you about it. I literally took the same trades. I copy traded. So I'm building these 2 up. So I did 560 in that one, 560 in that one on that trade. But I'm not going to risk it because I'm just building these up. Yeah, Google. And then now Warren Buffett owns Google. Yo, nah. Yo, if you leave a balance, you got to be a moron. Because what's the positive of leaving a massive balance? What's the positive? Oh, I took out 100 grand at one time. I'd rather take out the 100 grand every single day or every single 5 days and make sure I got it in my bank account. Show it off. Yeah, I'm good with that. You know what's better than showing it off is it being in my bank account, knowing, so I don't care. I'll take $1,000 every day instead of 100K 100 days from now. Like, remember, they could do anything they want. They can go out of business. Bro, you know how many people lost money when Fast Track went out of business? Dude, leaving money in your prop firm is as good as trusting Hillary with your emails. You just might wake up and they're all deleted. It's never real until it hits the bank. What up, Aldo? Funded Next just changed their rules, like retroactively. So this is a funded account. I'm just taking this off the screen. Up 536. This is ticks indicator in my Discord. If you want to look at this indicator for yourself, ask them in the Discord. It's actually pretty cool. It literally called the bottom right here, this bull. It's actually pretty good. Called the bottom there. It's definitely an interesting indicator. I don't trust anything pre-market, so this is... I know some of this other shit means things. I don't really know, though. You got to ask him. What up, Pine? What up, what up? Yo, this fucking thing won't stop beeping. All right. So I need... What do I need? My elite up. I need my elite up. I'm setting up my copy trader right now, so I don't have the freaking chat going at hold on. I am going to use elite trader funding. No, I'm going to use a the drawdown sucks on it. So I'm going to use a brand new Apex account. I actually don't have elite on here. So hold on. I got to fucking connections, configure. My bad. I'm going to look at the chat. What's up? What copy trader do I use? Replicanto. Replicanto. Yo, somebody said we have non-farm payroll tomorrow. Is that true? Is that true? Non-farm payrolls tomorrow? Yo, what up, Dr. T? Yo, I'm probably going to play a bunch of... You heard it was taken off the schedule? We got to figure out what the deal is. Ron B just nutted on himself, I think. Oh, man. If we have non-farm payroll tomorrow, I will stream it tomorrow, by the way. Just throwing it out there. If you're around, I will be streaming non-farm payroll if it actually is coming out tomorrow. Why the fuck not? All right. So we are copy trading. 1, 2, 3. I'm just looking real fast. Elite. I'm going to do this one 34. I set this shit up. Dude, there's a bunch of freaking messages. What up? What up? Dude, I had 2 accounts, both with $30 of being funded, and the power went out. What? The power went out? They would fucking owe me some money. I'm going to look to see what up, Enrico? I'm going to look to see if non-farm payroll is coming out tomorrow. So I'm going to have a fucking problem here. I'm trying to think of the best way to do this. I'm going to have 2 Apex screens up. Hey, Kel, do you know? Wait, I know you aren't an income tax consultant, but if you lose a ton of money day trading, do you still have to pay taxes on that? How would you pay taxes on money you lost? I would assume if you lost money, you do not have to pay taxes on money you lost. Not financial advice. Not a tax consultant. Not an accountant. Even though I have a master's in accountancy. Not tax advice. It's not even advice in general. That's what Barney the dinosaur told me to tell you. So if you got an issue, you go take it up with the purple guy. MOC won't let me be. Oh, am I gonna do 1 mini just to get the fucking juices flowing here? Bro, 1 mini on MOC? Yo, what advice? Dude. I think I'm gonna play 1 mini. Bro, it went right the fuck back. I'm still good. I think I'm like 4 wins, 2 losses. Look at that. You are a little piece of shit, you little NQ. All right, real quick. Look at that. Look at that fucking thing go. I knew it. Yo, Ron. All right. I'm setting this up. The big question that I got I actually had a really good day today. I'm going to see if I can put this in real quick. I did not trigger any. Why is it not copy trading over to Elite? Oh, I'm in the wrong fucking account. That's why. All right, here we go. I'm going to test it again. Ready? All right, I triggered no issues. No issues through my system. System checks. We are good to go. Houston, we have no problems. So I think they're going to rip this into the close here. I'm just watching. Fuck, I got to take this. Hold on one second. Yo, I'm going to go get water real fast. Yo, what up? What up? My bad. Don't file. This is not a great trade. I'm just if they run it into close, I think they run it for a lot of fucking points. That's all this is. If they run into close, and if they don't run it into close, whatever. Bro, I would never trade on your phone with a brand new TPT. Yo, if I get stopped, I'm done. All right, real talk. I got to get my shit ready. Yo, ask as many questions as you want, Steven. What was the question? I probably didn't see it. By the way, Apex website's working. I need to get... Well, they're running that deal. I have no options on NVIDIA going tonight. Shit's working. So I have two screens. So I can't... I'm going to flip-flop these, actually. I have Apex on both screens, by the way. So the Apex, what do you call it? I'm doing 2 funded accounts in Apex that are basically done. I could only play it to the upside because you can't bracket trade. What level am I targeting for the NQ? I have no idea. I just hope it goes up or down. Honestly, I hope it goes up. Somehow I feel like I'm going to get fucked. I think you can. What the absolute fuck is this? NVIDIA hasn't moved. Bro, NVIDIA hasn't moved and we just dropped. What's bracket trade? Like what I'm doing right now. Yo, you can ask whatever way. If you have a question about strategy, just ask me in a little bit after I'm done with this. Yo, what up, Fiber? Oh, baby. Now remember, if you breach a PA account, if you bracket trade a PA account, yeah. Yeah, you can't do this with a PA account. You got to remember also the software can fuck up. I've seen it go up and it doesn't sell me out and I get fucked. So just remember. What time's NVIDIA call? I don't know what time the call is. Call's probably at like 5 o'clock. I'm doing 14 contracts on a 150. I'm just telling you, this doesn't work every time. Sometimes the software makes mistakes. You know, there's shit that happens here that that is out of your control. Just letting you know. This isn't like a guarantee at all. This is a fucking YOLO. I just want you to be aware of that. You know, I'm using either accounts I got for this or accounts that are completely trashed. Definitely not a guarantee. Definitely not financial advice. I've gotten fucked doing this quite, you know. See how that just wicked up? You don't want to get caught in a wick right now. That's what you don't want to get caught in. Remember, liquidity is low right now. So you can get caught in a wick and then it'll fuck the whole thing up. Bro. I'm going to have to wait till 420. Definitely don't want that to happen. Holy shit. You see that? You see that wick? Look at that. That just shot up. See how that just shot up? We were down here and it literally just shot up 20 something points. You know, that could get you in and then just fuck it all up. So right before they come out, this thing is going to start glitching. And you don't want to get caught in the glitch. Don't want to become a glitch bitch. You get caught, and you're like, fuck. I'm hanging. I'm hanging like Mr. Cooper right now. Yo, Darrell's on my stream looking where I got my orders at. Well, we got not financial advice in here. Bro, I got a fucking back scratcher. Oh, man. That feels so good. Yo, what up? What up, man? Having a little YOLO fun with some accounts that are beat up. Yeah, my funded futures you can't do this with. Yo, like and subscribe if you're new here, baby. Yo, Steven, don't place a trade, bro. Trust me. Trust me. You don't place a trade. Be good with however you did today. This is straight up casino talk. Woo! Look at that fucking wick. That's what you don't want to get caught in. You do not want to get caught in the wicks because that will fucking get you in and then you're freaking smoked. Man, Monet, if I had to guess, we're probably going to go up instantly and then we're going to drop. The first reaction is going to be up and then we're probably going to drop. I don't know if we drop right away or we drop after a couple minutes or we drop. You kind of want to let it, you kind of want to be far enough away that you do not get, you don't want to get put in. You don't want to get put in for one. Dude, I don't know why it's dropping. The video is up a little bit. Yo, Richard, man, that's awesome. To the moon! It could, all the initial reaction is got nothing to do with China. All it is going to be the numbers. All that China stuff comes into play during the conference call. that's when they discuss all the China shit. So that's kind of why I think we're going to go up and then we're going to give it up. Come on. I guess 8 minutes. It can come out at any time, though. It doesn't have to come out at 4:20. It can come out at any time. I think we're just. I know I opened the duck race. I think we're just going to do numbers game today. I got to go pick up my kids after this, so we're going to do numbers game after this. Dude, NVIDIA is holding up the global economy right now. Everybody's watching this shit, by the way. Everybody's watching NVIDIA earnings right now. I don't know, Neo. I'm hoping we go up. I'll tell you one thing. If they miss on earnings, if NVIDIA misses on earnings, bro, if NVIDIA misses on earnings, you should just fucking pack up the market for the next 3 months. How's that sound? They miss on earnings, I'm literally going on my computer and shorting. I'm literally if they miss, I'm going on my computer to the side of me and I'm betting against the United States economy. I can tell you that right now. Five minutes. Five minutes. Yo, facts. Yeah. Yo, if they have bad earnings, it's over. Like if they missed and guiding down, dude, I'm shorting everything. That sell-off will be for weeks. Right? That's not a one-day sell-off. This shit will go on for weeks. Fucking stretching. Yo, if you put your sell order at break even, you may not get out at break even. I'm just telling you that right now, Mick. If you put your order at break even, that doesn't mean you're getting out at break even. I can guarantee you that. Just means the order is going to trigger. You're going to get sold out way the fuck under wherever you think you're going to go. Yeah, I'm just being honest with you. If you think it's going to sell out where you put your sell at, you're going to be emailing the prop firm tomorrow. Be like, hey, man, I was playing NVIDIA earnings and I put my stop at 700 and it filled me at 660 and blew my account. And they're going to say, yeah. I mean, I'm not telling you to close it. You can do whatever you want, but I'm just telling you that where you put your, that's like I put my sell order to be here. I don't know where the fuck it's going to sell me at. So technically we have 1 minute. I just want to say one last, these accounts, they've been good to me. We've had some good times, guys. I hope to see you tomorrow. If I don't, if these accounts aren't here tomorrow, RIP, it's been real. And that's it. Ooh, shitbags. Holy shitbags. So I just passed 1, 2, 3. I just unfucked these accounts. These accounts are now unfucked. Yo, smash the fucking confetti in the chat. Just smash it. Smash the confetti, guys. Smash the like button. Be sure to subscribe. Guys, we fucking did it.
We did it. We did it, Joe. We did it. We did it, Joe.
Oh, man. Guys.
Do not come. Do not come.
I'm gonna come.
Okay. I am just debating on what I want to do. See, in theory, see, I have this account. I might lose. In theory. Yo, what up, Boogie? Yeah, La Rosa. That's how we fucking do it up in this joint. That's how we do it over here. Yo, spread the word. Go tell grandma, come by. Come hang out, make some money. I might lose money in this account on purpose right now. What do you mean you're allowed? Oh, they'll just raise your profit target. I'm going to lose some money in this account, I think. Actually, I'm just going to fucking leave it. I don't even give a shit. I'm leaving it. Your market was closed? Why is your market closed? Yo, and I unfucked this one. I should have played this one too and unfucked it, but this one I got completely unfucked. Built up a little buffer. A little buff. Am I trading flop step? No, I'm not. Nah. I could probably lose like $500, but I'm not even going to do that. I'm just going to whatever. Yeah, they close early. That's why I wouldn't trade with them. And they're super expensive. Nothing like paying a lot of money. My funded futures, yeah. Yo, American Gangster subscribe. Yo, say what's up in the chat. Wow. Well, 3 more funded accounts. I did a 150K. The 150K is just about at passing. Yeah, 150K is just about at passing. I need 1,500 more bucks. There you go, Kevin. No, NVIDIA earnings is not news. I made 10K. I didn't make 10K. I mean, if you added it all up. Yo, they beat on data center revenue. They beat on gaming revenue. They beat on revenue total. They beat on Q4 revenue. They beat on everything. They fucking beat their meat. It was crazy. They beat everything. I did make money on funded accounts, on 3 funded accounts. This one, and this one. Yo, they're just beating everything. Bro. I think, so I said that I was going to sell off. But being that the earnings were good, I don't know if the market is going to just like here's the daily. Like, I don't know if the market's just going to sell off now. Like, I could see us trading back higher. Hold on 1 second. Yeah. Yo, so now that they had good earnings, I kind of think we're going to trade back up to like maybe this fair value gap up here, which would be like 600 points higher, you know? Wait, Chris, you lost? Oh, dude, helpful. You would have fucking made a ton of money. I don't know how you lost. But I'm just saying, NVIDIA itself is going to pull up, these other stocks. So, I mean, listen, do I think we're going to go back to all-time highs? Probably not, but the earnings are showing you that, that they're making fucking money. NVIDIA is making a ton of money. And, it's definitely going. Obviously, I'm loving it because, these are all $40 activation fees. So if you think about it, like this funded account cost me $70 now. All in $70. All in $70. All in $70. Light it up. What is happening with NVIDIA? It had earnings. Apex's website's finally back. They're doing 80% off, but $40 activation fees. Man, all right. So I have to go get my kids, but we're going to do the number game. Before I go, if you're new here, smash the fucking subscribe button. There's this little bell button somewhere over here. Hit that if you want to get notified when I go live. Otherwise, YouTube does not notify you. Yeah, I'm going to do it right now, Stock Itch. With Black Friday coming up and a bunch of deals running, I'm posting it all right here. So it's all in one spot. We started going live on lunchtime in the Discord. So if you want to join, it's free. Lunchtime. Here's the link for the Discord. That's where you catch me trading at night. And we were live today. Me and Sean went live during lunch. We got a banger trade. We caught this at lunchtime. And that's pretty much it, guys. Who wants to play number game? Number one. All right, you ready? Number game for whoever's here. Hold on. Don't do premature number relation. I got to put the start in there. All right. I got the number. You ready? Set, go. Oh, man. People are close. It's 1 through 50. Oh, man. It's 30 through 50. The number's 36. Somebody's got to have it. Let's see who did it first. Ali RRR Trades. You're the first person to do it. Shoot me an email. Shoot me an email. It's all rigged. Anybody got questions? Anything? Do another giveaway? All right, guys. Another giveaway. When the market takes out session lows, take an inversion to the upside. Just gave away knowledge. Don't eat yellow snow. Boom. If it rains, wear a hat. If she says she's on the pill, do not believe her. If you meet her at 3 a.m. at the bar and it's dark, do not trust your vision. If she says, I never do this, don't believe that. Oh, man. Just giving away knowledge to everybody. Giving away. Yo, I got something for you guys. Yo, you want something? I got something for you guys. Bro, I got something good for everybody here. If you're still here, you'll get it. If you're not, you're not. Here it is for fucking everybody. Let me see if I have it.
Apex account. I take private trader pass. Tradeify past. Lucy.
Yo.
Let's go.
Yo, Futures 420 made this.
Let's go.
This is fucking hysterical.
Lights on, charts up, the stream ignites. Cold trader on the mic, taking futures to new heights. Daily giveaways, slamming disco poker in the bag. Prop firm champion, riding markets like a maniac. He growls, don't be a dick and don't spam. That's rule number one in the Cove Nation clan. Then Chad drops a bomb, makes the whole crowd shout. On the sandwich, a jizz of mayonnaise is required. Cold freezes like a system fried. Says Wilp that just ruined mayo for me, no doubt. Apex pass.
Can't have mayo.
My funded futures pass. Tradeify pass. Lucid pass. Every account bow down as he blasted.
I'm out. New song. I'm putting it in Discord.
So market don't go sideways because I need cash now. This shop is a prison and I'm breaking out. Cold Street.
I'm out. Peace. I put it in the Discord.